What if I told you most marketing teams are leaving millions on the table? This is not because they're bad at their jobs, it's because they're missing one crucial thing. Let me ask you this, can your marketing team tell you exactly the impact of their efforts on revenue? Not vaguely, but with absolute concrete numbers. If not, then you're at a serious disadvantage. Most companies struggle to tie their investments back to revenue growth. They may have a general idea of what's working and what's not, but without a unified view of their data, they're flying blind. They're missing out on crucial insights. Let me give you a real-world example. Recently, we ran a go-to-market diagnostic on a software company that was scaling revenue to 50 million. They were a multi-product company that served all of the global markets. They had two go-to-market motions for both of their products. One, though, carried about 70% of the investment, whilst the other lagged behind with a simple 30% of the marketing budget. What we uncovered when we were analysing their go-to-market function was similar levels of customer acquisition costs, similar costs per opportunities, and the average contract value for both products was relatively similar too. So there wasn't a huge amount separating them in terms of what was driving the most efficiency in terms of building a base of net new logos. But what we uncovered after the point of year one revenue was very interesting. We found that the net revenue retention on one of the products far exceeded the other. Now, this product was the one that was underfunded in terms of marketing investment. So here what we found was one of the products was generating much higher long-term revenue than the other, and yet wasn't being prioritized in terms of the acquisition investments. Our recommendation was obviously to rebalance the budget and allocate more into the product that was delivering the most customer lifetime value. Without a unified data model, the company would have continued investing and struggled to scale to 50 million because they were essentially investing in a leaky bucket. The power of a centralized data model gives you unparalleled visibility into what strategic moves you need to make. You can see which campaigns and which customer segments impact lifetime value and long-term revenue. And when this compounds after year one, year two, year three, you can really start to see where you need to place your bets in order to hit your revenue goals. Don't let another year go by and leave money on the table.